I made this mushroom house using homemade air-dry clay. In this video, I will show you how I made it, what went wrong, what worked, and we will see how it looks after it fully dried. So, homemade air-dry clay is actually really good, but it also has some very specific facts you need to know. The first thing I noticed is that this clay sticks to the table, so you need to be careful when you roll it or try to make flat surfaces. Here I am trying to cut the small window for the door. But as you can see, cutting it cleanly with a knife is a bit difficult. It sticks and the edge can blur. I also noticed the color. You can't make very dark color with this clay. I added a lot of chalk pastels, but it never became the deep blue I wanted. It only turned it into a soft pastel blue. The same thing happened with red. That's why I decided to work with pastel colors. And honestly, it fits the clay much better. But there are really good things too. The clay sticks to itself without any glue, which is amazing for building. You can make very smooth surfaces, perfect shapes, and it keeps every single touch and details you make. Once you understand how it behaves, it's actually very satisfying to work with. The next day, I checked the mushroom house again, and as you can see, there is small cracks here. This part was my mistake. I cut it wrong and tried to hide it. While the clay was drying, the cracks started to appear. I also noticed the small mushroom dried and lifted a little.
Today is day 6 and the mushroom house is fully dry. Let's see what happened. After drying, everything changed. Clay is shrunk and as you can see, here have big cracks. The cracks only around the jar. I think this is because of the glass jar. The other parts, mushrooms, flowers, and this part is okay. So I have a little overlap. That's why I made these cute pigs. This will be keychain after drying. And this I made to understand it depends on the jar.
Or clay is not working well.
I'm okay with this result and I don't want to fix anything because this will remind me my mistakes and my first experience with this clay. And my next experiment will be even cheaper. I'm going to try make shrink plastic keychain from this box. If you are still here, you probably want to see a clay recipe. You can watch it here and subscribe if you want to stay with me. Next week I will try my new experiment and will show the small pig survived or no. Thanks for staying with me and have a wonderful day.